post yet. We are, yeah, Dakar champion.
So far, every day.
First day is good for us, but not for the mechanics, because they are to change a lot of parts of the buggy.
Yeah.
And now we go to sleep to be good tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a good day.
We know that the three coming stage will be tough, so we need to replace parts. You cannot underestimate the way this rally is demanding to the mechanic, to the parts, also to the crew for sure, but to everybody, because yeah, it's a long work.
Oh bah c'est cool. Ah ouais.
We're going back and forth with Chaleco and the other Can-Am and stuff for majority of the stage.
Oh really?
And then I think Chaleco got a flat tire, maybe 40K from the finish or something.
Not so good today. We broke something in mechanics.
We touch a little bit big rocks and in a hole. And these Polaris are so strong, and we can ask them a lot. But this time we broke this little part, so it was tough to turn without assistance. But I'm strong, and we lose a little bit time. But we stay 1 and 2 overall, so we will push until the end.
How does the penalty work?
You mean the amount?
So it's only 7 minutes?
We don't know Brock as much as Xavier, but what he shows until now, going to Dakar as a rookie and leading the race since almost the beginning, and now with 1 hour 49 minutes, we can only say that we trust him 100% and we have confidence. Now 3 days to the finish line, still fingers crossed. Everybody starts to be a bit tired, mechanics, also the crew. So we need to be more focused than usual, but we stay confident.
Morning. It's 5 a.m. here. It's a little cold, just layering up. Yeah, we're just ready for stage 10. I think today we're getting into the dunes, and that's kind of what we're gonna have for the rest of the stages. So looking forward to kind of seeing what we're getting into, and yeah, Polaris Razor's been solid, and just hope to keep it going.
Tomorrow's a long day, and I think if it would be cool to keep the podium streak alive, but if not, keep the car alive.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's it. That's the main goal.
When we got to the refuel, we seen Xavier's front boot axle. The boot was off. I'm like, we're just in a cruise or whatever, and then we started going or whatever, and then we caught back up to him, and I think I seen oil dripping out. I'm like, oh no.
It could be. I mean, there's multiple parts along the way that would make the four-wheel drive not work. So until we get the cars back, we don't actually know. Flo and Xavier could have had different issues. It could be the same. So we'll have to see.
Seems more like this cracked, but why it cracked could be a porosity issue. I don't know what their issue was, or if it's like what happened to your guys' Dick yesterday, and it just broke the housing. But
We'll see when we
like we've not had any issues in testing or anything, unless he's absolutely like dynamiting the throttle on
To win the overall, like we could have went like a bat out of hell and freaking won a stage, but why?
No, exactly.
We got a way bigger picture.
Yeah.
The first Dakar as a rookie, they know how to drive the car for all the things around. They were really focused on specificity of the Dakar, and all that thing makes them win simply.
Dream come true for sure. To win the biggest off-road race in the world, and side by side for Polaris and everyone at home in the U.S. and everything is no other feeling.
Yeah, it's cool to be in the accomplishments with all the fellow Americans that have won it. So, you know, we podiumed pretty much every day except 2 days, at which I believe we ended up fourth. So that given alone is just showing how capable these Polaris racers are. Here we went, you know, across everything you can imagine. Yeah, any type of terrain you can imagine. So just to be able to have such good results throughout the entire rally was super cool, and it's just a testament to the machine.